In this video, I'm going to teach you the Emergent AI tutorial. So as you can see right here, we can create custom AI agents as a beginner using Emergent AI. So you can show right here that this AI agent can give you these options for specialized AI system. So you can make a custom one for the task that you do repeatedly if you require multiple steps, if it needs consistent quality, and if it takes significant time. So here are some examples of custom agents such as research assistant, code review agent, McKinsey consultant, content creator, and the likes. So for this, give your agent a personality. Give it a specific expertise, not you're helpful or you're an expert. Give it relative or relevant experience, communication style, key strengths, and likes. Here are some options for the prompts. Explain what needs to be done and also share current contacts. This one is optional. Also need to map up your ideal workflow for this. Now, for that option, you can see right here the workflow and set your guidelines and preferences. So you can use Emergent AI for all of this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.